Wage calculations. Wages are the amount of money that someone earns when they do a job. These are generally paid either hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. To be able to answer these questions, you must pay attention to the amount of money they are paid and how much work they do. Let's look at a question. Henry works on a building site and earns £9.20 per hour. If he works 8 hours on Tuesday, how much money does he earn? We can see that the amount of money that Henry is paid is £9.20 per hour. He works for 8 hours. This is all the information we need. We must multiply the amount that he is paid, £9.20, with the number of hours that he works, 8. So £9.20 times 8 is £73.60. Let's look at another question. Joseph earned £128.10 today and worked for 10.5 hours. What is his hourly wage? Here we are asked to work backwards compared to the previous question. We know how much Joseph earned in a day, £128.10. We also know the amount of hours that he worked, 10.5. We need to find out how much his hourly wage is. So we need to divide the amount of money that he is paid with the amount of hours that he worked. £128.10 divided by 10.5 is £12.20. Farah starts work at 7:30 and finishes at 4:30. She works Tuesday to Friday. If her company pays her £14.60 per hour, how much will Farah have been paid after 5 weeks? Why don't you pause the video and see if you can work out how much Farah will be paid. How did you get on? We know the amount of money that Farah is paid. She gets £14.60 per hour. We need to work out how many hours that she works. She works from 7:30 until 4:30 in the afternoon. That's 9 hours of work each day. She works Tuesday to Friday, which means that she works 4 days per week. If she works 9 hours per day and 4 days in a week, we can calculate the amount of hours per week. 9 times 4 is 36 hours per week. We're asked to find out how much she'll be paid after 5 weeks. We can calculate how many hours she would have worked after 5 weeks. If she works 36 hours per week, then 5 times 36 is 180 hours. She'll have worked 180 hours after 5 weeks. We now need to work out how much she will have earned. She gets paid £14.60 for every hour that she works. She'll have worked 180 hours after 5 weeks. So 180 times £14.60 is £2,628. Well done if you got that.